Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's cake number 3 for Halloween series cakes. So if you guys want to see how I made this cute adorable cake with a nice little swirl on top, well, keep on watching. I just wanted to take a minute and just let you know that in this video I use sprinkles from Sweet Apolita. This is their website. They have so many different varieties and they're all, each one of them, they're very special and very beautiful. If you want to purchase some, you can use my code LilianaSprings15 for 15% off. super easy cake to make. I say it in all my videos. Basically, you're just going to do your crumb coat. And when I say crumb coat, by the way, you're just going to seal the crumbs of your cake. So you're just going to give it a little buttercream, just a little bit of buttercream, and then with your cake spatula, you're going to seal everything, and that will be your first coat, which we call it the crumb coat. So the crumbs stick to your cake. So like that, when you do your second coat of buttercream, it's nicer, and then the crumbs don't go into your buttercream. So that that step is really, really important to do. So that's why I always say crumb coat. But by the way, if you guys have questions, don't be shy. Ask me questions in the comments. I know it's difficult for me to answer each and one of you guys, but I'll do my best. Normally how I go about is I always try to answer the particular video that I put up the same day. Within 1 to 3 hours, I respond to everything. And after I try, but it makes it very, very difficult for me to do so. But if you have a question, try to do so, and I'll see what I can do. So, and if I don't, I'm really, really sorry. So you do your first crumb coat, put it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes, bring it back, do your second coat of whatever color shade buttercream that you want, and the recipe will be in my description box down below. Actually, all the links, okay, or every tool that I use, like all of that jazz, is actually in the description of the video. So if you go down to the video, you will see all my links, my blog, my store, like everything is there, so you can go, you have access to everything, so if ever you're interested. So then you do your nice coat of whatever color that you want, and then using a cookie cutter, you can use any cookie cutter that you want. You're just going to basically imprint, do a crease, press. Yeah, you're gonna press to your cake, and then you're just going to create a little line, so it gives you a little guideline. And then with a star tip, you're just going to pipe on the inside, and to whatever color that you want. I obviously chose to go with a witch hat, so I did it black, and then I did the middle part purple, and then I finished the look of the hat and also of the cake with the Sweet Apolita sprinkles. They're so cute. She has such great stuff. sweetapolita.com or sweetapolita.ca, depending on the country that you are. I really, really highly suggest you going to check her out. I actually have a code for you. You guys can use Liliana Springs 15 for 15% off the entire website. Also, the link will be in my description box down below if you guys want to go and check that out. And then I topped, I did the swirl at the top with a beautiful neon green food ink. And then I used my 1M, love the 1M piping tip, and that was it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.